Hello guys, I welcome you all at the Smarty Education. Today we are going to discuss some important tips which are very important for every CS student. Without any further delay, let's get started with our first tip. The first tip is do not learn any new topic before the exam. The first thing that you need to remember is before 1 week or before 15 days, you need to close the learning section and you need to start the revise section. What you need to do is before exam, just make exam that you complete your syllabus on sufficient time and you do not learn any new topic, because if you learn any kind of new topic, then your focus completely will be shifted to the new topic and you will not be able to concentrate on the previous topic. So make sure that you close your learning and you make sure you completely revise your all the learnings that you have studied till now. The number second tip is opt out only. For this tip is only relevant for June 2021 student. Now you have two options, either to attempt exam or either to opt out and give the exam in June or in December 2021. Now there is also advantage and also there is a disadvantage. If you want to just try out the exam, just give it in June 2021. The God will see whether you pass or not. And the second thing is you can save your attempt and can go to the December 2021. And if you want to ask my tip, my personal opinion, if you have not prepared very well, then I just advise you to opt out to December 2021. If you want to try it, that's completely depend on you. This is the second tip before it's this exam. Okay, now let's talk about the third tip, which is related to for theory subject. Now in theory subject there is no negative marking, so you need to do what you have to attempt every question in theory subjects and you need to make sure that you are attempting every question, because each and every question matter and you have to gain 40 marks in order to pass the examination. Now in each and every theory subject there is a pattern to right answer. If I talk about CSET exam, there is no theory subject and you have to do not have to write the answer in detail. There is also MCQ, so this tip is not relevant for the CSET student. Now if I talk for the CS executive and CS professional student, what we need to do here is we need to understand what is the pattern to write the answer, and you can easily find in your scanners or the notes that you have with you. Now let's go to the fourth tip, that is for MCQ subject. Now MCQ subject is a very complicated subject. If I talk about MCQ subject, there are so many subjects and you have to attempt each of them. But before trying to attempt any kind of MCQ subject in exam, you need to make sure that you completely select 40 or 50 questions in order to pass the examination, because in MCQ subject there is a greater probability that you cannot clear because there is a negative marking. So you need to completely confident on the questions that you are attempting. That is my opinion, and you can easily crack that MCQ subject. Now talking about last and the must tip, that is be confident and carry all your documents. Now you have to carry all your documents like student identity card. If you have not student ID card, get your Aadhaar card and self declaration form and admit card before going to the examination. This is a very important because many students come from the different city to the main city where their exam center is located and they forget their Aadhaar card or student identity card, so that is a problem. Now this is the problem that anyone can face, so I recommend you to please carry all your necessary documents. Now last from my opinion is all the best. You can easily clear this exam, and thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can definitely mail me at missioncs642@gmail.com and you are gonna fucking crack this examination. Thank you for watching and just go and study your topics.